Let's cash stuff for September. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Protective Girl. Today's video is cash stuffing for the month of September 2022. Let's get started. So here I have my budget breakdown for the month of September. So as usual, my fixed expenses is about 10,000 rupees, and I have, like, in the bracket I have 299 rupees because I may subscribe to Netflix this month to watch Never Have I Ever season 3. So I don't subscribe to Netflix each and every month. I just subscribe to it whenever I want to watch a particular show, series or a movie. So I think I will subscribe. So it goes above the estimated budget. So that's what I have mentioned in the bracket. And coming to fixed savings, it's 7,000 rupees, in which 5,000 goes into my mutual fund and 2,000 rupees in gold, which both are SIP, which I save online and it get auto debited from my account. And today we are going to cash stuff for the amount 6,850 rupees. I have divided into 3 categories: variable expenses, sinking funds and variable savings. So I've written everything in this money manager. So this is a financial planner by the brand June Shops. So I've already reviewed this planner in one of my videos. I will leave a link of that video in the description box and in the I button as well. Do click and watch it if you guys want. So before moving on to the cash stuffing part, I want to share a few things with you guys that I've made a change to this cash stuffing. First change is that I have made use of these older envelopes itself for like expenses. To carry it in my handbag, because this one was quite big and it was difficult to carry. So I just thought of using it because it fits perfectly to this ink bucket pouch. If you watched my ink bucket 2022 planner unboxing and flip through, it is one of the freebie, and it was quite good and it fits perfectly in the pouch, and I just throw this into my handbag, so that's quite easy. So that's the first change that I want to share it with you guys. And the next change is that I've added few new envelopes in my cash stuffing. So let me go through them first. So for the expenses, I have this travel one. It's not like a vacation, it's for the travel expenses on a everyday basis. And next one is giving, which I already do, but I take money from either grocery or fun, but I just thought let me just separately have an envelope for that so that it will be convenient. And next I want to again include the miscellaneous category. I know I've said like this is not much useful, but even if it is not useful, I'm just going to have little bit amount in it so that if something happens that I can't fit into any category and I want to spend that money, I can take from this miscellaneous. So that's the 3 expenses categories which I have new envelopes for. And in sinking funds, I have 3 envelopes. First is a medicals. Having a medicals or health kind of category in sinking funds is be really beneficial for us, definitely in future, if not now. Next one is birthday. So I thought of not including birthdays and my birthday because my birthday is literally on the month I've started, that is June. Now I thought, okay, let's start saving for next year. So these 2 is going to be for the saving like for the next year 2023. So these are the new envelopes that's going to add up to our cash stuffing. That's the thing that I want to share it with you guys. Now let's check with the amount that I've debited. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So I have few changes this time. 500, 1,000, 1,200, 1,300, 1,500, 1,600, 700, 800, 850. So in total we have 6,850. So let me properly arrange these. Okay guys, I have lined up everything. So first let's start with the rollover money. So in grocery, I don't have any cash. I only got few coins this time as a rollover money. So it's about 5, 10 and 2 rupees. So it's 17 rupees in total. So that's quite good. And coming to fun, I have 100 rupees now, which is also quite great. So if you guys don't know, I use my rollover money to save like another savings, which is extra savings. I've converted the extra savings pouch into this pouch, which is also the transparent pouch, but it's quite big and it's a different one. So far, let me see how much I have. 200, 250, 270. Now let's add these 100 rupees. Now we have 100, 300, 350 and 370, which is good, so good for extra savings. So I'm going to fold it like this because the 200 note is kind of not going well in this pouch. So this is extra savings. And the coins, I'm not going to put it here. I have this coins box which I mentioned in one of my cash stuffing video. I will leave a link of that video in the description box. So I started sharing my cash stuffing journey with you guys only from June 2022. So I will share like June, July and August 3 months cash stuffing videos in the description box. You can check it out for some budget and cash stuffing ideas. So I have quite going to put this as well. Let's accumulate this coins box as well. So now the rollover is done. Let's get into the variable expenses. Okay, for variable expenses in grocery, first let's start with grocery. If you guys are new and wondering what and where this envelope is from, it is like a freebie from Alisha Souza 2022 planner. I just decorated with washi tapes and sticky notes and mentioned the envelope name. Also a few stickers represent the particular envelope. That's what I did. Grocery, I'm going to stuff 3000 this month. 1000, 2000, 3000. We can't place it proper shape, so I'm folding it and keeping it. Grocery is done. So next we have fun. So fun is basically shopping something or spending money or eating out, going for a movie, anything that's related to fun, that's gonna come under this category. And I'm going to stuff 2000 rupees, 1000, 2000. Again folding it. That's it. Next is the new envelope, which is travel, and I'm going to stuff only 100 rupees because I rarely go out. Sometimes I may go to bank. I'm just going to stuff 100 rupees. And next is giving. In giving, I'm going to stuff 100 rupees. Next up is miscellaneous. And for miscellaneous, I'm just going to stuff this 150 rupees note. So that's it. With that, our variable expenses is done. These are the variable expenses. So we have miscellaneous, giving, travel, fun and grocery. So now I'm going to put it inside my ink bucket pouch. As I mentioned earlier, it fits perfectly and I really like about that. My variable expenses envelopes are ready to spend. Next, let's move on to sinking funds. For sinking funds, first let's start with emergency fund. I'm slowly building my emergency fund, so I'm just going to stuff 500 rupees. And while stuffing it, let me check how much I've saved so far. 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, which is too good for me. Done. Next up we have want. So want is basically you can aim for a particular goal. I'm currently saving for a monitor in my desk space, so I'm going to save 500 for that. So let's see how much we have in this. 1000, 2000, 3000. That's good. I think I need to save like a 12,000 to 15,000 for this. I'm saying based on my research from Amazon, and I'm definitely going to save up and buy that only during some sale so that I can get some good discounts. Next, let's stuff some new envelope. First is the medicals, and I'm going to stuff 200 rupees for medicals. I think I will go with the 200 rupees itself. Then we have birthdays, and for the normal birthdays I'm going to save 100 rupees. As I mentioned earlier, I'm saving for the next year only. I think this 100 rupees is hardly enough for next year. So as the months progress, I may add a lot. Next I have my birthday, and that too I'm just going to stuff 200 rupees note because my birthday is next year June. So a lot of months to go. This is good. So that's it for sinking funds. Let's move on to variable savings. For variable savings, first one is extra savings, which we already stuffed. So it's very month to month based on how much rollover money is left on that particular month. And the next variable savings is the savings challenge, which I've recently started. It's a bingo savings challenge, and this is it. I've mentioned about it in one of my videos. So today I'm just going to stuff 100 rupees. So I'm searching for the $1 thing. Okay, here it is, 79 rupees. I'm just going to highlight it. So to make it fun, I just randomly cross it off. Here we have the $1. It means different pen. As as months progress, I really excited for the savings challenge. It's really fun saving money because of this savings challenge. Let's put it over here. So already I've saved up 1000 rupees, so now 100, so it's 1100. With that, we stuffed all our cash for the sinking funds, variable savings, and also variable expenses. Do watch my July cash stuffing video, which will be flashing on the screen right now. It's a fun little challenge. Do watch the video to know how much exactly you can save in this challenge and also how it works. That's it for today's video. If you like this month cash stuffing, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more cash stuffing videos for the upcoming months. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.